Welcome back, dear Bytecoin enthusiasts, to part 2 of the Bytecoin weekly update. Very next thing that we're going to be going over is the crypto market overview. The way that I'm planning on doing this comparison, we're not going to go too much in depth on the details, but we are going to discuss pretty much the basic generic market information. I want to remind everybody, you cannot be comparing Bytecoin to any and all of the assets out there, okay? Bytecoin has a very particular niche that is pretty small. Bytecoin Guru might even argue that it is frowned upon in some places of the world. And just overall, Bytecoin just cannot be compared to any asset. Okay, there's probably about 5, maybe 6 currencies that might compare, and here are the top 5 in the top 100 cryptocurrencies so far. Monero, which is a fork off of Bytecoin, therefore using the same technology. I cannot speak on exactly the same, of course. The one thing I do know, though, is the more that you fork off of a cryptocurrency, especially a private one, it loses its anonymity to a certain extent. How true that is, I'm not a cryptographic expert, but if someone tells me that, I will keep some things in mind. So, Monero has $1.29 billion market cap, which means this is how much money people have invested and entrusted into an asset that provides the privacy into digital assets. Okay, so far it's at $72 a pop, with, like I said, $1.3 billion market cap. The very following one is Dash with $747 million, and it costs $82 a pop. Zcash is in third place, number 25, $339 million with $46 a pop. Bytecoin is in number 4 with $96 million in market cap, and it costs, I don't know how to pronounce that, 0.00052. This is less than 5%. This is a little bit over 5% of a penny. And number 5 is Verge with 73 million and almost half of a penny of cost. This is not cost, price, the current price. Now, these are the top 5 players in the privacy sector. I suggest that whenever you're comparing Bytecoin, you compare it to one of these 5. Okay? Just because those are the ones worthy of discussion as far as top 100 is concerned. I can go into the details of the of what they're made out of and a little bit of info on each, but I will make this a video too long, and this is Bytecoin Guru, okay? If you want to know more about any other asset, I suggest do your further research. These are notes from my use that I've taken, and I just don't want to waste your time. That's all. So, that price in a privacy market is mind-blowing, especially knowing that its son, Monero, is at almost $3 billion. So there's some sort of desire for such assets, okay? Not just any assets, crypto note assets. That's all I'm gonna say for crypto market overview, my friends. Just keep those 5 in mind and proceed to enjoy. a little bit of guru talk. I have to share some things with you guys because I love you, and knowledge is love and love is knowledge. So first thing that I wanted to talk to you guys about is the need for privacy in a digital finances. So I had a question online, and it was, do you think privacy is needed when it comes to digital finances? And I got the final results today, and I figured I'd give you guys an update. Out of 33 votes, not many. I was hoping for millions, because everybody should be able to answer that question. 33 out of 33 people, 32 said yes. One was that black sheep that just wanted to just say the thing that everybody else is not saying. So I appreciate you. I would have loved to see an explanation along with that vote on why you think that privacy is not needed or why privacy is needed. But an astounding number said that it is needed. Now, I want to remind people that Bitcoin is such a private and anonymous cryptocurrency to the point that they literally needed to create auditable wallets to become relevant when in conversation about regular, transparent cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin. Like it was mentioned by Bytecoin team earlier, not everybody wants to have privacy with every transaction. So there are purposes for which you would want to be transparent with the money that you spend. But there's many people, and please correct me if I'm wrong, but I feel like there's many people that would not appreciate everybody in their neighborhood to know how much savings they have. To the T. To the point that they just click a button and they can view your wallet and what's inside your wallet at their leisure. If that is settling, if that sounds comforting to you, power to you, because you have cojones like the planet Earth. Being able to view everybody's wallet, I feel like certain institutions need to do that, but I don't know if many people are going to sign up for this full transparency type of thing. So these are conversations that are going to be had down the road when it comes to cryptocurrencies. I do not expect people to worry about such things. Why? Because people are worried about the check. People are worried about the money and the profit, and they're worried about, yes, let's make cryptocurrency regulated because maybe the price will go up. Not realizing that cryptocurrency that's not what it's meant to do. But then again, maybe you should read into the Genesis block and what it actually said when Bitcoin was first introduced on its very first day. And remember the roots for digital currencies, especially cryptographically encrypted ones. So, do you think privacy is needed when it comes to digital finances? That should be literally Bitcoin's slogan. And this was a tweet inspired, just so you guys know what was going through Bytecoin Guru's mind. This is what I posted. I said, Bitcoin is already worth thousands. Once decentralized exchanges become the norm, the price will soon follow. Decentralization is the Pandora's box. Enjoy life and don't get caught up on a price. Worth is different than price and cost. So some people took this as a joke, which this tweet was not intended as a joke. I've seen things happen years ago, and now they're unfolding. Back when people were talking about Bitcoin in general, they were laughed at because Bitcoin apparently was fake internet money. Now we have JP Morgan Chase, we have Amazon, we have whole countries that are mining, we have IBM, Microsoft, too many to name. And you wonder why. Because the things that were once laughed at end up prevailing sooner or later. But who am I to say anything? I just wanted to show you guys that point of view, at least, okay? The current market position and outlook. This is something that I was looking at myself. I'm quite interested. I wasn't able to pinpoint a particular website for this, and I'm pretty sure any of Bytecoin Guru's viewers from China might know better, because this is a global public chain technology assessment index. I believe the first one was created by China, in the Chinese, some sort of agency was tasked with doing the research on this. So they valued point-wise each currency, each asset, on basic technology, applicability, creativity, the total index, and the total ranking. Bytecoin, I think, ranks 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 20th out of 28. It doesn't have all of these statistics here, it's just listed on the bottom. I did some further research and I found a couple of different links, which I'm going to post in the description below, on different assessment indexes that go over pretty much the same information, rating each cryptocurrency based off of its basic technology, applicability, creativity, all the good stuff. It's interesting that such companies are coming out, and I hope more of them do, because we want more solid research and light shed on those assets. If you're just gonna let it be up to traders to decide what the price is, well, let me tell you, most traders don't really care about fundamentals. Okay, most traders just care about technical analysis, because that's what makes them money. They do not care about long term. They don't care about the future. Most people that crash the market, whether it's a stock market, whether it's a Forex, whether it's whatever type of market it is, they do not care, because they're the ones winning. Okay, so I would love to see more of this unbiased, or maybe this is biased, you never know, unbiased look and rating of digital assets. And just pay attention to where Monero is. They call it Monroe, I don't know why. Monero, where Dash is, Zcash, Bytecoin, of course. Notice where they are at, just because this is the little bubble that the assets that we care about are located in. So this is something that I'm gonna post the links to. You can definitely take a look at, and let me know what your take is on this rating. I'm not gonna go forever about that type of topics. I think we're all on the same page. If you're viewing Bytecoin, if you're interested in Bytecoin and you're a viewer of Bytecoin Guru, you most likely know my stance. Do not follow it, okay? Do your own research. I'm just sharing things because I love everybody. That's all. Technical analysis. Oh man, don't get me started. And then get me started at the same time. But you know what? I'm trying to keep this video short. We're going to make 3 videos max. this is going to conclude the crypto market overview and the Guru talk. My dear friends, make sure you stay tuned for the number 3, because we're going to be talking about the technical analysis, the roadmap, and the Bytecoin related articles. Catch you on the next one.